Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix call ended issue. When you try to call someone, it will automatically disconnected and showing error call ended. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have sufficient balance in your SIM card. Second thing, you have to check your SIM card signals also. If you are out of coverage and you are not receiving signals, in that case also your call will not be placed. Third thing, you have to make sure that the number you are trying to call is correct. If these possibilities are okay, then you have to follow these instructions. You have to go to phone dialer, click on these three dots and then click on settings. From here you have to select supplementary services, and then here you will find SIM 1 and SIM 2. You have to select that SIM card which is showing this issue. So our SIM 1 is giving this error. You have to click on call bearing, click on allow. From here you have to click on voice calls, and then you will reach here in voice calls settings. From these settings, if any option is turned on, you have to turn it off. And here you can see our first option is turned on, so our outgoing calls are restricted from our phone settings. So we'll turn it off. You have to give your network provider password. Click on OK. So here you can see we have successfully deactivated this call bearing. So our issue is now resolved. So in the same way, you can also fix call ended issue on all Android devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.